Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos. Today is going to be super duper quick. I want to talk about my minimal makeup routine, my no foundation makeup routine, which is pretty new to me, but I am liking it, especially for, just something quick, to put on for whether maybe it's like a Google Hangout, a Zoom conference, Zoom Hangouts. Maybe you're just, want to take a quick picture, be it like on your Instagram stories, but kind of clean yourself up just a little bit. And I actually wore this look in my Freshly review videos, I think, because we did 3 different days, and I think 2 of those days I was like, I don't have time to put on makeup. I don't really care to put on a full face, just kind of touch up here and there, especially because I do have like dark circles and just some marks. So let me get into it and show you guys what I use. I don't put on foundation. Really, what I've been doing is keeping up with my skincare in general, and for the spots that we kind of need a little bit of concealing, I'm just going in with my concealer. The one that I've been loving for around my face is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Mine is in the shade M900, which is really close to my skin tone, so if you can kind of get something as close as possible. It's been tricky since I've been tanning a lot, and honestly, all I'm doing is going around for something just super quick, is just dotting it around like red spots and just tapping that in around my nose. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend that in just with our finger. Just super quick. If you're someone who has oily skin, you can totally do this and go in with like a powder on top too, just to kind of set any oily spots you may have. But I'm dry, so this kind of still keeps me a little bit luminous around the face, but just kind of evens out the skin a little bit. Can maybe go in with like a skin like primer for any like discoloration, like if you have like redness, a little bit of a green primer just to even that out. But this is pretty much what I've been doing. You can go in with a sponge if you want, and it just evens everything out a little bit better, but it blends in easily because this is really close to my skin. So just touching up. Sometimes I'll do my under eyes, sometimes I won't, but I think it definitely makes a difference. So I'm really just kind of covering that darkness right there. We're not doing our usual type of under eye concealer routine. You can also, once again, go in, and I'll even bring it up because I do have darkness around my lids. I should have completely left one eye, but you guys can hopefully already see the difference. Look at like this eye, and even like right here, the darkness that I have going on. Or if you don't want to be as messy, you can go in with a sponge, but if you don't have dark circles, God bless you. Enjoy it. You are lucky. Maybe I need to get some sleep, but much better already. Next, we're gonna go ahead and just take some of my NYX HD finishing powder. Make sure, especially underneath the eyes. I'm not putting a lot of product either, so I'm not gonna crease as much, but just a quick, just kind of set under there. You don't have to set if you don't crease, but I tend to crease. So I'm just adding that a little bit on my brows. Looking a little bit more evened out. I specifically wanted to use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover. This one works really well for my skin, and I think a lot of other skin types too. It's hydrating, but I don't think it's too hydrating for like oily skin. If you want something, a little bit more matte, you can use something like the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I just talked about some of my favorite concealers, most of them drugstore, or even the Fenty Pro Filter. I think this is a good one for everybody, but especially for around the face. This one feels so good. For a quick brow, something that I really like is my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. So this is actually a thicker type of a pencil than the usual kind of precision, because I'm not trying to be precise, I'm just trying to put some brows on. And I'll show you the other product I use where this way I don't have to like comb through them, but this one is so quick, especially if maybe you're like me and you do have brows, you just need to kind of draw on a little bit just to add on a little something something. Much better already. All right, so we're gonna do that. You can totally skip this brow pencil and just go straight in with one of my other favorite products. Also, this brow pencil is like less than $5. This is, I think, also less than $5, maybe $4, $3. This is the Essence Make Me Brow, so you can go straight in with this. And this is kind of like a brow filler. It's a brow gel mascara, and just kind of fill in those sparse areas. Just going, oh, how about we use a mirror? Let's go in with the mascara curler. For the mascara that I've been loving, this is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara False Lash Effect. Super quick also, $5 or less. This is turning into one of those very affordable, quick makeup tutorials, minimal makeup tutorials. Especially if you're wearing a mask, at least put on brows and a mascara and you're just like even better. Next thing, honestly, for like that no makeup, you can do a little bit of lip gloss, but I can't stop this step. I need a little bit of lip liner. A very, very natural color, something that's just gonna blend in but add that definition. This is NYX Nude Truffle. And then any lip gloss, you can do a clear one, but I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with it. Go in with Fenty. This is the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. This one's a great universal gloss. If you have time, you can go in with like a cream contour stick if you want, but I'm like whatever about it. And then next we're gonna go in just with some either Max Fix Plus, or what I'll use, but it's really far away, is my Mario Badescu, my Rose Water Spray, which is what I use to prep the skin and keep it looking fresh. And that's pretty much it. This is just what I do. It makes a bit of a difference for your face. Just kind of makes you look a little bit more awake. You don't have to do as extreme of a gloss. Maybe you don't want to. You don't have to do the lip liner. Maybe you really have like 3 minutes. I would say invest in this Essence Brow Mascara. If you don't want to do that other regular brow pencil, but this one goes so quick for me. Wet in a while, it just adds a little something. Use both, use one, use neither. Let me tell you, the brows complete the look, kind of give you a little bit more structure to your face. So this is just what I've been doing for that no foundation makeup, a very minimal makeup. If you're here on my channel, this is like the most minimal I have been going, while still kind of making me look presentable, making me feel presentable myself, a little bit more put together. So for those of you who have been looking for a tutorial like this, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what other products you use to maybe save time, or if you just have a couple of extra minutes, something that you need to add for yourself. Drop it down in the comments below and share your favorite products for this very minimal no foundation look, so that we can all, you know, have a couple more options and try them out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time.